Welcome to another episode of Miss Teacher Tube with Janice Leong. On today's episode, we're going to be learning all about tens and ones. We're going to be building numbers with base 10 blocks, and we're going to be learning how to draw base 10 ones and tens to represent numbers today. We've got a lot of work to do, and I have a lot of fun activities coming up for you. Watch the next video very carefully and work on the practice activities, and I'll see you soon. Now let's take a closer look at tens and ones. This little piece is a one or a unit. We use those when we build single-digit numbers. For example, any of these single-digit numbers from 1 to 9 that you're building, you can use little ones or units to build them. They're not yellow in every classroom. They come in a variety of colors, but every time you see one little tile like this, it is going to be used to build single-digit numbers. Now, when we go on to building double-digit numbers, the minute we hit 10, we can represent 10 two ways. We can have 10 in ones with these little yellow tiles, or we can have 10 with the tens, which are the green strips, which have 10 little pieces that are bonded together. For example, 20 has two tens, and 30 has three tens. Now, when we're building numbers like 17, we will need tens and ones. For example, 17 takes 1 10 and 7 ones. If we were building the number 27, we would need 2 tens and 7 ones. Here's yet another way of looking at tens and ones with a 100 chart. This first 100 chart shows you 16. 16 takes 1 10 and 6 ones. If we are to take the base 10 blocks and lay them over the 100 chart, you can see that exactly 16 squares are covered. Now let's look at the number 25. 25 has 2 tens and 5 ones. If we were to take the base 10 blocks for 25 and lay them over the 100 chart, you would notice that exactly 25 squares are covered. Welcome back. So now that you've had some practice counting base 10 rods for tens and units for ones and making the numerals to go with them, we're going to do the complete opposite. But I don't want you to draw painstakingly out a 10 rod with all the little boxes inside of it. I have a fast way of doing that. I'm going to teach you how to do that. So the work coming up and any work you do in class and after this, when you need to draw base 10 blocks, it's going to be way easier. So let's practice doing that. The first number we're going to work on today is 25. Now 25 has 2 in the tens and 5 in the ones. So 25. So we're going to draw 2 tens and 5 ones. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It's exactly how I want you to draw base 10 blocks. The next one, 15. 15 has 1 10 and 5 ones. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's do the next one. Oh, this is a bit of a bonus one. 31. 10, 20, 30. Oh, we need a little bit of counting by 10 to get this one. So 10, 20, 30, 1. We definitely don't want to do 31 ones. That would take forever. That's why we draw a 10. Every time you hit 10, draw a line for a 10, and that will save you a lot of counting. So this is an example of the work that I've got coming up for you. Again, practice your skills. Rewatch the video as many times as you need to practice, especially the one that I had before, showing you how the 10 and 1s work. I'll see you soon. Welcome back. Well, we've learned an awful lot about 10s and 1s today. So we've learned how to make 10s and 1s, drawing them, and we've learned how to count up 10s and 1s to write the number that they represent. So this is a great skill to learn because it's going to help you out a lot in grade 2, well, and grade 3 for that matter, and grade 4 for that matter. So practicing now is going to really pay off for you this year, next year, and in grade 4. So I will see you on the next episode. And again, if these videos are helpful to you, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.